Good morning, happy Monday. Let's get started. So just to begin, whenever you see a colored box, you're going to be completing an activity, more than likely, actually, definitely by typing into that box. Okay, there's a couple of multiple choice questions too that I'll just explain to you how to do them. So first, what is a memoir? You're going to click on this link and you're going to go to this website, and then it's going to give you a bunch of information about memoirs. The first thing that it says about memoirs is the definition. So you're going to read the definition that they give you, and in your own words, you're going to define what a memoir is. Okay? So after you do that, read this slide. Do not read this slide before you do that, because then you're not going to be able to create a definition of your own, because you're going to be very likely to just take the words that are on here. Okay? So read and listen to the following text on commonlit.org. Let me give you the code once. All right, so I went and got the code. I'm going to write it right here. Class code. And then, there you go. All right, so the class code is ZEZ6Z3. All right, so when you get on there, just type in the class code when you do I'm a student, and it should just come right up. So this is the text you're going to do. You're going to read. It's called Moving Home. It's a short text, and when you log in and use the class code, you can also listen to the text being read to you by using the read aloud feature. So definitely make sure that you put in that class code so that you can use that. So after you read and listen, it's short, you're going to write a short summary of what happens in the memoir. So it's going to be a very short summary of the events of the memoir, okay? Then next, you are going to answer these multiple choice questions by simply highlighting them and doing this, okay? So I think the answer to number one is A, so I highlighted it, and now Miss G can see that I think that's the answer, okay? If for whatever reason you're morally opposed to highlighting for some reason, you can underline it, you can bold it, you can italicize it, whatever you would like to do, okay? Just make sure that you're doing something to show that you know that that's the answer. So which of the following describes the narrator's childhood? Wild and unsupervised, free and lonely, or creative and free? And then next, how does the narrator's family decide to move? They decide there is nothing keeping them in South Carolina. The narrator decides for her family that they're moving. They realize that family was their real reason for moving. So that is your second multiple choice question. Do it the same way you did the other one, by bolding, underlining, highlighting, however you would like to show that. And then finally, memoir assignment, short answer. When the narrator's father is diagnosed with cancer, her family decides to put family first and move to support him. What can we learn from the tragedy? Or what can we learn from tragedy? Okay, tragedy in general. What can we learn from tragedy in general? Okay, so not just talking about the story, talking about when tragic or bad things happen to us, what kind of things can come of that? What can we learn? All right, that's actually it for today. So if you have questions, use that live questions document. You guys have not used it yet. It's been a few weeks that I've been asking you to. So use that to your advantage. Also, attendance, please check in for attendance. And a reminder, tomorrow there is no school, so I will not be putting up any information or any assignments tomorrow. Okay, so I will see you on Wednesday.